The bowline is one of the most reliable knots ever used. It forms a stable loop that holds firm under pressure while remaining easy to untie afterward. One more. Here's a simple and useful knot you can learn in just a few steps: the scaffold knot. Start by making a loop with your rope. Then, bring the working end around the standing part and wrap it through the loop several times. Keep the wraps neat and close together as you tighten the knot. Once everything is in place, pull the standing part firmly. The wraps will tighten around the loop, creating a strong and secure knot. The scaffold knot is especially useful when you need a reliable adjustable loop that holds firmly under tension. And that's it, a simple knot, but definitely one worth knowing. Let's make the bowl hitch a strong and useful way to secure a rope around an object. First, pass the rope around the object and bring both ends together. Take the working end and wrap it around the standing part, then pass it through the loop you just created. Give the working end a few wraps around the rope, keeping everything neat and tight. Now, pull both sides firmly to cinch the knot down. The bowl hitch creates a secure grip and is great for situations where you need to attach a rope quickly and keep it from slipping. Simple, strong, and easy to remember.